How to create group in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create group on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create a group, tap on the pencil icon at the top just right here. Select it. Then here you can find new group option right here. Now tap on it. Now choose the person that you want to add to the group just like this and tap on to next. Then create the group name just like this and tap on to create. And now you can see the group has been created. Now simply do the same process to create any group you want. And that's it. This is how you can create group in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.